Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data. Export or save any photos, messages, or contact details you may need. Once done, make sure you know the exact email or phone number and password linked to your Jeevansathi account so you can log in. Also check for active premium subscriptions and cancel them first, because deletion won't automatically stop payments. This saves headaches later and prevents losing access to receipts or important conversations you might regret deleting. You now log in and go straight to Settings. Look for Account or Privacy sections where the deletion option lives. Once you tap Delete Account, the site often asks why you're leaving and may present alternatives. Answer briefly and continue. Then follow the on-screen verification steps. Enter your password, confirm via SMS or email code if prompted, and accept any final warnings. This confirms you really want to remove your profile and prevents accidental deletions. You finish by confirming the permanent deletion and then log out. Clear browser cookies and app cache to ensure no residual login remains. After a short period, verify the profile is inaccessible and that recurring payments have stopped. If your account still appears or you can't complete verification, contact Jeevansathi support. Provide your registered email, screenshots of errors, and timestamps. This speeds resolution if you don't receive a reply. Follow up and keep records until support confirms removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.